Good evening friends, let's start our builder series today. This is my builder base and we will scout different builder bases and use our different war army, attack army. So friends, let's start our first opponent. Find now. So friends, this is the builder base I have got. I will use my attack army over this. The base looks very simple and the builder hall is also at a lower level, so we will try to use our army on this base. Let's see if there is any structure on the corners of the base. Okay friends, so my current army is 3 super P.E.K.K.A.s, 24 sneaky archers. I will try to use more 3 cannon cards also. Okay friends, let's start our attack. Let's deploy our battle machine first, and on the other side super P.E.K.K.A. here also super P.E.K.K.A. from the left side also super P.E.K.K.A. I will use the ability of battle machine so that my battle machine can enter the main base by destroying the wall. From the side I will deploy one cannon card. Another cannon card goes from the other side of super P.E.K.K.A.s. Let's use some sneaky archers. Sneaky archers got the ability of being invisible for like 5 seconds, so they are very handy in your attacks. So friends, the base is very compact but very defensive, powerful defense base. I hope friends we will cover this base 100%. My super P.E.K.K.A. has reached their builder hall. My cannon cards and sneaky archers are also attacking. So you can see my army getting to the very other end of the base. Here goes our super P.E.K.K.A. boom. So friends, see 87% by now, and I think it will be 100%. So friends, you can see today's first attack of on builder base. 100% friends. Let's see how much the opponent has scored on our base. So friends, we have won this and opponent has scored only 1 star, 64%. My base is very a good defensive base. Let's see how the opponent has attacked our base. Let's check out our defenses friends. So friends, this is my base and here is the opponent army. He has used the drop ships. From behind the drop ships he tries to use beta minions. The start of the attack looks good. On the crusher side he has released his drop ships, but crushers will kill his skeletons deployed from the ship. Now he has released 2 baby dragons from the other side, like a funneling progress. So friends, you can see his battle machine getting bombarded by our lava launcher. By now he has covered 43%. Beta minions are getting inside the base. Battle machine ability is being used. He has saved 1 baby dragon for the last builder hall attack, but unfortunately he couldn't make it. You can see my mega Tesla at level 1 killing the baby dragon. So friends, you can see the opponent's attack. Friends, the design of this base, defense of this base is a very good base. So if you have got higher levels of defenses, definitely this base will defend your stars and make you win many battles friends. Let's speed up this guys. Okay, he got some 8% on the outer side. Okay, lucky one, 64% he has been covered. So in all he used 4 drop ships, 20 beta minions, 3 baby dragons, and okay, battle machine level 15. Let's return home friends. Let's try our second attack for builder base series. Find now. Okay friends, this is our second opponent. The design of the base is like a chessboard in a square, squares inside squares. So overall a good design. Let's select our army. Let me check if there is any structure in the corners. There is a research lab at the side. We can use, let's see if what army, air or ground we have to use. I think here we can use air army would be better. 10 beta minions, 10 beta minions, 10 beta minions, 3 baby dragons, and I think 2 dropships and 10 more beta minions. So check out the opponent's base, friends. Let's start our attack. 4 of his air defenses are in the bigger square, so let's deploy our battle machine to kill the outside firecracker first, and along with it dropships. Let's use some beta minions to clear the firecracker. Here comes my one baby dragon, baby dragon, baby dragon. Okay friends, let's get on his builder hall. Friends, remember always to deploy your troops which will reach the builder hall the fastest. From the left side, I think it would be the fastest path to reach the builder hall. Battle machine's ability has been used. In an air attack, most the most defensive unit is the air bomb, so it would be better if you can clear the air bomb first, or as fast as you can. So my battle machine has killed their air bomb. My beta minions reaching to the very end of the base. I hope this would be 100%, friends. Let's see. Battle machine is still attacking. Okay, battle machine has done a very good job, and here comes the battle machine's ability. So friends, this base is also been covered 100%. The base looked hard and powerful, but with a proper planning we have done it. So congratulations friend, we have done the second base also 100%. Let's see how much opponent has scored. I hope it's not a tie. Let's see. Okay, it's a victory, clean victory. Again 1 star, 68%. He has used some 60 archers. Let's check out his attack in a very fast mode. So this is the very good defensive base. 60 archers, sneaky archers failed on my base. Builder hall is at a very center core with a very powerful layout of walls and defense structures. He has released his battle machine. Sneaky archers doing a good job to clear the outer structures though. But sneaky archers going all the way on the push drops, and yes. So friends, he has done a good thing, but couldn't get 2 stars, couldn't even reach inside the square to kill the builder hall. All his army is over, only his battle machine is there. My archers, giant cannon, all firing on the battle machine. Okay friends, let's return home. Okay friends, now we will try our third attack for today's builder hall series attacks. Let's find our opponent. Okay friends, this is a good base in the sense he has not just overlooked or interlooped the walls, but he has made the base look very big by keeping gaps in the walls. The base is looking a very big base, and he has placed all his defenses and structures along the walls and between the walls. So friends, let's try our attack. I think sneaky archers will do a good job here because the base is very big and spread up with 36 sneaky archers. And okay friends, before that our time was over. No problem, we will try to use this army only. So friends, my archers are attacking good. 66% so far, 68%. Baby dragons attacking. Okay friends, let's see how much the opponent has scored on our base. Unfortunately we lost this battle. No problem friends, let's find one more opponent. Find now. This is also a good looking base. Let's try to use some super P.E.K.K.A.s because the defenses are at a high level and our super P.E.K.K.A has got very good hit points, so it can manage to reach the builder hall maybe. So some cannon cards. Just remember to have a look at their positions of their multi-motor, and yes, there is no lava launcher here I think. Okay, that's a good thing. Multi-motor and roaster are bit. Multi-motor and roaster have to be checked out their positions. So friends, now okay, this army looks good. Let's use some bombers. Battle machine goes from this side. Let's clear this outer wall so that our P.E.K.K.A.s gets inside. Cannon cards, some archers. So our army is progressing ahead. The base is very compact and the defenses are at a good level. So our P.E.K.K.A has reached the builder hall. Let's see if we can clear the builder hall. Our cannon card is shooting at the builder hall. So friends, it's by now it's 48%. 1 star. Okay, 50%. 2 star friends. Let's see how much our opponent has scored. Friends, we have win this. Opponent has just scored 25%. 72 archers. Let's see his replay. So our base has again tricked the opponent. Level 17 battle machine starting the attack. All the archers been deployed here. Large number of archers been deployed at a very fast rate. Okay, the mega mine has tricked. He has very hurried in his attack. That's why the archers are been killed by the lava launcher shots. The opponent has hurried in his attack, so he can't even make a 1 star also. Battle machine is his only last hope to get to the builder hall, but unfortunately it could also not make it. %, a very poor attack seen by opponent. Okay friends, thanks for watching today's attacks on builder halls. See you in another episode with some very good attacks on builder halls.